We don't have a lot of time. I have to get back when I wake up. I know you want to kiss me.
Hey everyone, I'm Nathi, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a deep clean my room with me. Okay, extreme deep clean because my room needs it. I literally returned from traveling today, traveling to South Africa obviously, so I'm first gonna give you guys a little dirty room tour. Okay, so we're first gonna start, you enter my room, and then obviously on my cupboards I have a little situation going on here. We've got my makeup brushes, which I think I'm going to wash because don't ask me how long it's been since I've done so. Then we have this situation. See, I was traveling, so as you can see, so I'm probably gonna just redo this whole thing because if you can tell, I color coordinate them because, and then obviously guys, guess what I got, okay? And if you know I've been wanting those for ages, okay? And most of these will probably go into the laundry. But then here we have my bag. This was my hand luggage bag, so it's just got a lot of things in it. So we're gonna clear that up, and then I'm probably gonna wash this bag. And then my bed sheets I've already taken off. It was my duvet cover. Then I'll take off my bed sheets. Yeah, this is my bedside table. I'm also gonna clear this up, and then the drawers inside, and then I have my mirror, which I'm gonna clean too. This is the cleaning fit. If you look closely too, it's very dirty, so I have to wipe this out too. We've got the Stanley to keep me alive because I will need hydration. And then we have my floor. You guys, I'm only human after all. Okay, see, no, whilst I was away, my brother was in my room, so you know, most of this like is not me. Like these guys, because I said I was an organizer, I'm better. This is obviously not me. The drawers obviously, and then this, once again, I told you guys that I did my hair by myself before I left, which were my ginger braids, and I did them before, so obviously it's a bit of a mess here, but we're gonna clear that up.
Brother,
Guys, there's something walking.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go,
recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean,
so I'm gonna get copyrighted. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to wash my makeup brushes because honestly, they are disgusting. You know what I wish I had though? That like the silicone makeup brush cleaners. I was listening to jazz obviously while cleaning because
yeah, first I transitioned from, I was listening to like Lauren Hill, so like neo soul, then I was listening to Amapiano, then I listened to like 2014 NPC music, like the vibe music, like
then now jazz. My storage is complaining, so we're gonna go and wash my brushes. It is the next day and I'm officially finished cleaning my room. When I tell you guys, I feel so rejuvenated, okay? But I'm going to do a whole room tour now and I'm going to show you guys everything and yeah, a clean room tour finally. So yeah, okay, so we're gonna start obviously at the door. Obviously I have my Queen's Gambit poster, you guys know, and then we go here. I kind of changed the prints a little bit, so I have this Flower Boy Tyler the Creator little cute poster, would you call it poster? Photo? Yeah, is one of my favorite albums ever, so yeah. And then I just changed it a little. I think I changed this, this, and this, so yeah. Then a photo of me and my friends, and then I have my to-do list. So in here we have my makeup brushes, clean makeup brushes, emphasis. Then I have this Logitech keyboard, which is what I use for my iPad. I barely use this. I'm thinking of selling it because I literally never use this, so yeah. And then my Irresistible Me hair from my Irresistible Me collab. And then we have this Rituals candle, which is actually my sister's, but I stole it, so and then I have my books. I've read, I've not finished, I've finished, I've not read, I've finished, I've finished, I've finished, I've half read, and I've half read, so. And then here we have obviously my vines. You know what, guys, like my vines used to fall down all the time and I'd have to always put them back up, but like they have not fell in like months. So, and then obviously we have my clothing rack, which obviously all my clothes aren't back on the clothing rack because I was doing laundry yesterday and one of my things was to finish up laundry, so it's obviously not done yet. And then here we have my favorite wall. So over there we have a vinyl, which is just a vintage vinyl. That's my sister's. And then just cute. And then obviously Brent Fire's poster, because I went to his concert and he is my favorite. My bed is made, as you can tell, sheets freshly washed. Then I have my cute little blanket, my baby Sunshine, and then my pillows, okay? And then I cleaned this area. It's looking a bit better than it was, honestly. Then I have this fake plant. Then here we have my bedside table, my journal, and then this jade roller, Stanley cup, and then this candle, vanilla candle. Love vanilla scents. Then my drawers, obviously organize them so I can show you guys now. So I just have my, this is for my tummy because I literally have stomach problems, so that's fun. Just painkillers, okay? This is all my things. And then comics and all my revision cards. This little cute eye mask that I got from Flying Qatar, so it's really cute. This is my cream that I use for my eczema. And then just these memo pads that you saw earlier. And then these are all my chargers. This is my MacBook charger, this is my battery charger for my camera, and then my bonnet. So yeah. And then this is just like a really irrelevant, like kind of, this was from prom when I wore lashes for the first time and last time, because I haven't worn them ever since prom. But I've tried to do like like lash extensions and like be a lash extension girly, but I don't think it's for me. But also I don't think I've found the right ones or the right glue, so I'm probably gonna look a little more into that. And then I have this candle lighter, which is actually, it doesn't work. Toothpaste, I didn't know. This is my lash serum and salt. I have my mirror, which I finally cleaned. I'm kind of kneeling on the floor, so yeah. And then this is all my jewelry focused. Then you have me, and then this is just all my tote bags. I didn't tell you where this journal is from and all these stuff. Obviously this is from Stanley. This is from TK Maxx. We have this this is from Amazon, I think. I don't know. This is from Amazon too. This mirror is not from anywhere. It was actually a closet door with a mirror on it, and then I just took the door and made it a mirror. I actually need to buy a full-length mirror, but whatever. Yeah, my tote bags. This is my tripod. This light is from Amazon. I will link all my stuff down below if you guys want them. Then all my posters, Tyler Creator, obviously. I love jazz so much, if you don't know. And then I have my Himalayan salt lamp, all my paintbrushes, this fake plant, I don't know where it's from, my Dove body scrub, this cherry like room mist, and then this book that I actually got in essay, so I'm excited to read it because I've wanted this book for so long. And then my MacBook, and then I have my vanity, which is also from Amazon, and this is just all my skincare products, and then my jewelry. This is my just random drawer, honestly. So I have my Bible, and then just underneath that I think I just have my content planner, and then something else, I don't know. This is my power bank, ruler. I'm a Joya Sweets because I was obviously in SEA and I had to get the Sweet Simba chips. If you know, you know, okay? This is like this is just all my hair stuff. Then this one's just a random one that honestly I just dump anything in. Pretty much it, guys. That's literally it. Okay, I feel so much better, and I just feel like a weight is lifted off my shoulders. Like, this is your sign to clean your room, girl. I feel like I have my life together, which I kind of have to get my school life together, but at least my room is clean and my environment is clean. I thrive in a clean environment. I don't like being messy. It's just, this is my clean room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and bye. 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 User. So I have also made a. Also, let me show you something. Okay. My aunt, when I went to SA, gave me this. Okay. This is the Essence. But it's the Essence Electric Glow Color Changing Lip and Cheek Oil. So it's really good. I recommend.